With our current weather conditions, it takes a real expert to create landscape that'll thrive. Riedel's Garden Center has the staff with the expertise of water requirements for plants, lawns, and landscapes that'll stand up to our changing weather conditions. With 25 years of hands-on experience, owner Darren Riedel will customize a landscape design and irrigation system to meet your expectations and our climate. It's recommended to protect your lawn using Fertilome products available at Riedel's Garden Center, an authorized dealer. Call or stop by Riedel's Garden Center today.
I'm Pat Tebow, Master Gardener with K-State Research and Extension, the Cottonwood District. Have you noticed that when summer temperatures fade and fall arrives, that our thoughts go to autumn decorating? And one of the centerpieces of autumn decorating is the flowering mum. Mums add this great splash of color in the flower beds as well as on the front porches. But the one question is, will this mum survive the winter? One of the problems that we have with these mums that are planted in the fall is that they're often bred for lots of color, and because of that, they often lose a lot of their winter vigor. The second problem is their root system is not the best, and therefore just won't make it for the winter. There are some ways that you can help this mum survive, though. One is be sure that you keep it well watered throughout the winter as well as the fall. The second thing is you might consider taking it into your garage. By placing it in the garage, it's kind of buffered against the temperature extremes of the winter. You would have to water it, but very sparingly until the spring, and then take a chance and see if it will survive. There are times when folks will call Extension and wonder if, because that mum won't survive outside, maybe they could bring it into their home. There's a problem with that, though, because the mum won't receive the sunlight that it needs to continue to grow. If you really want mums to become a perennial in your garden, Extension recommends that you defer purchasing the fall mum. Instead, wait until spring. Purchase small cuttings, plant them in your garden in the spring, water them, come fall. They'll have a nice root system, it'll be a durable plant, and you'll have lots of color in the fall, and hopefully you'll now have a perennial mum in your garden. This is the final episode of Green and Growing for our 2019 growing season. And before we sign off, we have additional information for you. First, I'd like to ask a couple of questions, and that is, do you enjoy gardening? Do you enjoy learning about gardening? If so, possibly you'd be interested in being an Extension Master Gardener. Beginning in January of 2020, late January, for 8 consecutive Wednesdays, the basic training for new Master Gardeners will be held here in Hayes. Now, the last time it was held in Hayes was 5 years ago, so this is a great opportunity to take advantage of this training. The training consists of 40 hours of instruction, and the instructors will be state specialists from K-State University, from local extension agents, as well as other local experts in their fields. After training is completed, there will be an additional 40 hours of service that will be coordinated through your local extension office. For more information on this training, contact your local extension agent. Our office, the Cottonwood District, is located at 601 Main in Hayes.
With our current weather conditions, it takes a real expert to create landscape that'll thrive. Riedel's Garden Center has the staff with the expertise of water requirements for plants, lawns, and landscapes that'll stand up to our changing weather conditions. With 25 years of hands-on experience, owner Darren Riedel will customize a landscape design and irrigation system to meet your expectations and our climate. It's recommended to protect your lawn using Fertilome products available at Riedel's Garden Center, an authorized dealer. Call or stop by Riedel's Garden Center today.